So let's say that we have this company, Sabrosa, which is needing to put in a paper supply order for the upcoming future work months. We can make use of Sheets' math integration to enter in the basics and get the results. So let's say that they're going to be ordering 25 notepads, and the price is going to be $5.39 for every notepad. So how much will it cost? Well, if we start by typing an equal sign, we're creating a formula. We could say 25 times 539 to get the answer, but instead we're going to be using the cells to make it automatically apply no matter what quantity or price we choose. So we're going to select the quantity of 25. That is cell B4. Then we're going to use the asterisk, which is showing multiplication. And then we're going to select the price per unit cell of C4. So this cell is going to be made up of B4 times C4. And we see that it's calculated already to say that it'll be $134.75. I hit enter, and that is the line total. Why do we want to use the cells as opposed to have just typed in 25 times 539? Because selecting the cell of 134.75, if you can recall, we've used the fill handle previously. I'm going to use that to click and drag down. And so now if I select cell D5, we see when we look up to what's really in the cell, it's actually going to be B5 times C5. With the previous cell having multiplied two cells together, using the fill handle to drag it down, we're seeing that it's assuming that the two cells to the left of the current cell are going to be multiplied together as well. So then let's calculate the total, which is going to equal the sum of, and then we're just going to click and drag to select those three rows, and that will give us the sum of $134.75. Now let's say they're going to buy 10 legal envelopes, 10 packs of them at $2.27 each. That's going to be $22.70, and the total has already been calculated. And let's buy 15 standard copy paper packs at $6.72 each. That'll end up being $100.80. And so this paper supply order would be $258.25. But let's say that perhaps it's a bit much, or they've decided they don't need so many notepads. We're going to drop that down to 20. And instantly, the line total is updated, which then also impacts the total amount. These are just simple formulas in Google Sheets, but it can be very helpful.